Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to generate a PDF file in Node.js. So today we're going to check out the powerful features of IronPDF, a Node.js library which simplifies PDF generation. In the terminal, you can install it using npmi at ironsoftware/ironpdf. Also, remember to install the IronPDF binaries if they still need to be installed on your system. So now let's explore our pre-written code. So we'll start by importing PDF generator, PDF document, and IronPDF global config from at ironsoftware/ironpdf and the FS module from Node.js. And this setup will allow us to create PDFs from HTML strings, URLs, and images. Here we've created a function to create a PDF from an HTML string. And notice how we're using PDF document from HTML to convert a simple hello world HTML tag into a PDF. And this is saved as output PDF. Next, we use PDF document from URL to convert the Wikipedia page about PDFs into a PDF document. And this demonstrates IronPDF's ability to capture web pages as PDFs, which is saved as output from URL.pdf. Our script also handles creating PDFs from images. We read a directory of images, filter out JPEGs, and then use pdfgenerator.image to PDF to convert these images into a single PDF named composite PDF. All right, let's put our code to the test. We'll run it in the terminal using the node to run our code. And you can see that the code is now executing. There we go, the code was successfully executed and our PDFs are ready. So let's take a look at them. Okay, here's our first PDF generated from an HTML string. And it's a simple yet effective demonstration of IronPDF's HTML to PDF conversion capabilities. Moving on to the following PDF. This one was generated from a URL. IronPDF does a great job of capturing the web page in full detail. And finally, let's look at the PDF created from images. It shows how you can convert an image or images into a single PDF document. And that is how you use IronPDF with Node.js to generate PDFs from various sources. This powerful tool opens up a world of possibilities for PDF generation in your Node.js applications. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. To get started with IronPDF for Node.js, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Just click the link in the description below and try it for yourself.